Importing EveryDollar zero-based budgeting into your financial management system can be a game changer for taking control of your finances. To get started, first understand what zero-based budgeting means. It is a method where every single dollar is assigned a job, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. Begin by gathering your financial information, including your income, fixed expenses, and savings goals. Next, create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app. Once you have logged in, start by setting up your income, which will be the foundation of your budget. Then, move on to assigning jobs to EveryDollar by creating categories for your expenses, such as housing, transportation, and food. Be sure to also include categories for savings and debt repayment. Assign a specific amount to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. A key concept to keep in mind is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Use this rule as a guideline to allocate your income into different categories. As you continue to build your budget, make sure to regularly review and adjust it to ensure you are staying on track with your financial goals. EveryDollar also allows you to track your expenses and stay connected to your budget on the go, making it easier to stick to your plan. By following these steps and using the EveryDollar zero-based budgeting system, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and achieve financial peace. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and flexible, and you will be on your way to achieving financial stability and success.